Welcome back to my channel. This is the CVS haul for the week of June 20th to June 26th. I wasn't expecting this week to be as good as it was, but I was able to make something out of the CRTs I have. So with that being said, let's just get into the haul. So this week the soft soap and the Irish Spring is $3.99. You buy two, you get a $2 extra buck back. And everybody is supposed to get a $1 app coupon. And I also have a one-off of 5 body wash, and I printed a 75 cents from softsoap.com. So what I did was pick up 2, use the one-off 5 body wash, $1 from the app coupon, and also the 75 cents. The next thing I picked up was the CoverGirl. This week is buy 2 get $7 back. I have a $3 mystery coupon that everybody was supposed to get last week. And I also have a $3 manufacturer's coupon from my app, and another one I printed from coupons.com. It's no longer available, so I used that. And I also everybody is supposed to get a nail clip this week, so check your CVS app and get the free bonus. So let's get close to my receipt so you can see how all the coupons applied. You can see the first one, the 75 cents, is the coupon I printed out from softsoap.com. The next $3 is from the app coupon. The CoverGirl is the one I printed out too from coupons.com. Then you can see the free nail clipper. You can see the 3 off of CoverGirl mystery coupon, 1 off $5 body wash, $5 body wash, and I used a $7 extra box. I paid $1.81 out of pocket, and I got a $2 extra buck back for the soft soap. I also got $7 for the CoverGirl, but I rolled it to another transaction because I always like to roll my extra bucks. There is no need saving it because it's meant to be used. So with that being said, let's move over to the next transaction. My next transaction is on the toothbrush. This week is buy 2 get $3 back, and each one is $3.99, and it's a limit of 2. So what I did was pick up 4. And I have an app coupon for $1 off any manual toothbrush. I also have a 6 off of 4 Crest product, and I also have a 2 off of 5 Crest or Scope product. And I used the $7 extra box. That's the extra box from the CoverGirl I just did. So it ended up bringing it down to $6.96. I paid nothing and I got a $6 back. Normally when you do deals like this, they like to put the extra box together if you're doing it on the same product. So let's go close and you will see my receipt. So you can see the first one is the app coupon, the 6 off of 4 products, 2 off of $5 Crest or Scope, and that's the extra box I used. See, I only paid the tax, and that's the $6 extra box I got back. So let's move on to the next deal. On this transaction, I don't have my receipt, but I decided to share it with you guys in case anybody have a good CRT for this. This week, the Scope is buy 1 for $3.99 and get a $2 back, limit of 2. So I maxed the deal. So if you check your CRTs and see if you have the 2 off of 5 Scope or Crest, and there is also a $1 app coupon, use both, then you pay $4.98 and you get $4 back, making the 2 big bottles 98 cents for both. I have good CRTs for May, so that's why I did this transaction. So this week is spend 12 get $4 back. Last week I have a $4 off May, and this week everybody was supposed to get another $4 mystery coupon, and they also gave me another $4 May or Revlon. So I decided to do this. So I picked up this product for $12.99, and I used the 3 $4 off coupons, and I only paid 99 cents plus tax, and I got a $4 back, making this a $3 money maker. On this transaction, I did the spend 30 get $10 back, and I also did the Irish Spring, picked up the free nail clippers that everybody's supposed to get, and I also did the Hallmark. There is no extra box for Hallmark this week, but I got the $3 off of 2 Hallmarks. I picked up 3 paper bags because it still took off the whole amount because it's less than 3. Also for the Irish Spring this week is buy 2 get $2 back. Each one is $3.99. You can do the Irish Spring or you do the soft soap. On my earlier video I did the soft soap, so on this transaction I'm doing the Irish Spring. So I have a CRT for $2 off of 2 Irish Spring CRT. $1 app everybody was supposed to get, and I also printed a 75 cents from irishspring.com. Go to their website and print out a 75 cents because that will really help to bring it down. So for the spend 30 get $10 back, I picked up the Tide, 2 Tide liquids and 1 by Poise, and that totaled me $32.87. Make sure you're going past any threshold that you need to meet. If you're doing 30, make sure you go past 30 or you're at 30 on the dot, or when you're doing 45, make sure you go past 45 or you're at 45 on the dot. So mine, I did the 30. So I used the 2 $3 coupon from P&G Insert, and I also used a $3 off for the 1 by Poise. I printed from the poise.com. Make sure that when you're picking up the pad, read the fine print on the coupon that it says pad or liner, because it's a little confusing. I have to go back and get the pad. So when all my coupons are applied, the total with the whole thing was $45.62. And I did this deal together because I have a 8 off of 40 that I need to meet the threshold. So I'm already getting the Hallmark free and I'm getting the nail clipper free, so that will help push me over the $40. So everything came up to $45.62 before tax. And when all the coupons I just mentioned applied, it took it down to $20.70. I used $19 extra bucks to pay it off, and I only paid $1.70 out of pocket, and I got $12 back, 10 for the spend 30 get 10, and $2 for the Irish Spring, making this whole thing $8.70, and that's 9 items for $8.70. So let me go close so you can also see my receipts close by. That way you can see what I'm talking about. So you can see the first one is the $3 for the Tide, the next one $3 for the Tide, the next one is the 1 by Poise, and you can see the Irish Spring, that's the $1 app coupon, then the free nail clippers that CVS gave everybody, and the 8 off of 40, why I did this whole transaction together. And you can see the 3 off of 2 Hallmark, it only took $1.47. So I did the 2 off of 2 select soft soap, and I used $19 extra bucks. I only paid $1.70 and I got back the $12 extra bucks. So that concludes this transaction. I would also like to share another CoverGirl deal in case somebody have the same CRT like I did. This is from my second card that I don't normally use. So what I did was pick up 2 CoverGirls because this week is buy 2 get $7 back. So I have $3 coupon from coupon.com. I have 2 of those. I was able to print 2 out. It's no longer available. So whenever those kind of coupons come up, try to print it right away because it goes out quick. So I have a 2 off CoverGirl from last week. That's a mystery coupon that everybody was supposed to get. So people were getting 3, but I only got 2. And I also have a 3 off of 9 CoverGirl CRT. So when all the 4 coupons are applied, I was able to pay just $1.58, and I got back a $7, making this a $5.42 money maker. So when you do deals like this helps to cover up where you paid more. Like when I did the Tide, I paid $8 for 9 items. So right now I just made $5. So that's covering up some of the expenses I did in my earlier video, and I still think everything I did today was a really good deal. Money makers. My Ome was also money maker. $3.01 money maker. So I'm able to actually make some money back and also got so many items. So I hope you all had a good couponing week, and I will see you all on my next week.